award-winning comedian and social media influencer. Kwame A plus and the waba bonting abe plaste you be maybe a one so the dear will use so social media and so abidona didn't know nana esi ojiri na ebusia form and tokwa aso wo mienu enten nyina ejina say director of communication president of Ghana young papa Mr. Eugene Ahin ne won sensama sorry wo memu bekaya di kan na chese na eja pade ne nan ne chese ne nyoma wo chese within some space just from 2016 to 2020 nyoma just because that time when I just employ na some company so I'm a director of communication and that short possible time no with me I so many world no am just somebody be to abonten some am some no dey just e be ye obuje bi no si na just when ya sa adan ne na japade ni na before answer ne ba appointing no and na say ye appointing no ewie no e na wonya sa enwoma no na ya papa ya kan once maybe na wo sheda eni no na ebi nso na ire won sense me be to abonten say or file for a year divorce and say can the party issue by obana woni ni problem no sa obana na me ire Mr. Ahin Mr. Eugene Ahin ire esusu say woni na enukunu ewo wona so ya papa ya babonten just wo be kire mu say bibisa letter na just ye hu na petition na ye hu wa bonten bi me pie na ni na say pie na ni mu dia ebe court no say ya papa na me ka no asem wo no ne de Kwame A plus na na hesi ojiri wo mo pray no na ni sa ne work and say nyoma wa akwa ejapade a wonya a wo be display nti no ma Kwame A plus ebusa say nipa we na ye ka che ne sa na say ye susu say wo no enya kronobo na wabo na eno na che say man na hesi eba abonten eba comment wo asesem wo hu ni say Mr. Eugene Ahin ya chiro say ebia wo ye corrupt and say ya kase wa fa kwete kwan susu bi den afa wo bisika na ye nti bisa eda enti say ye nti bisa eda de na che say bisika na no ma na japade we nyina no genuine na say na hesi ojiri odene nsem no etu jo say have you seen or heard of any report involving Eugene Ahin of corruption? Never. There are ways of making money genuinely. The gentleman is an intelligent and smart guy. Therefore, his properties, it is only a fool who will copy such a position, who will occupy such a position and not make properties. We papa na hesi then somebody to get no just say akwa share ye nia be na ye papa Kwame A plus before akwa bring ko ama wa ba bonte be ka say dey bio na ye friend no why na ye dey gentleman friend no na why aso ne ye ka say ane occupy position want me enye no wie na not na just wa ba wa be refer Ghana for say empo ye mam peni dada former president John Dramani Mahama na wono oye mampenya wote ejaso na ne nua bema Ibrahim Mahama na wono so wo ho no sa ko beka senka ne nua ye mampenyi wo man su de nko no ko befa sa kan so de nua japade a wo penyina na so ye hunu sa no mani bi inte ba ne sen na ba no say MPP for asamo dia ye say nipa no intelligence by a ban NBC afanda ye say wo mo corrupt na ebusia for wo ma me kwan na me kenkan ye Kwame A plus so reply our dey e ba ye brothers what say obi echiru mu say ye Mr. Eugene and the properties awa akwa no ye true a normal way and say enye ekoti kwan so e no fine na genuine just ni modern born intelligence ni smartness and amanenya sa properties no they were not so edit to your say. As for Ibrahim Mahama, who has worked for years and is the biggest mining contractor in the sub-region before his brother became president, he is not intelligent, right? He was not a press secretary. He was a brother to the president. But this idiot didn't see him to be an intelligent man. Instead of finding some of the money, you are defending people who are enriching themselves. Jimmy, when people in the NDC make money, it is called corruption. When MPP criminals make money, it is called intelligence. Boga, make you no make I bought this morning. Nkwasiasem said here, who told you to post? Massa, if you say fit today and I will play that recording of the secretary and the national security boss somebody sent to his girlfriend and you will have yourself to be blamed. I get every information I want from the many good people in your party. Don't be stupid. How can Nana Ado still keep this guy? Just speak truth to power and stop this boot-licking nonsense. Are you not tired of defending foolishness? Nana Hesi, I thought your fooling ended in 2020. If you make me angry, you will cause a big problem for so many people today. I am warning you. When a kwame A plus me poster one also edible to their a brother to be say yeah me abema na nesi a differently a papa Mr. Eugene Ahe with the acquired properties I do not know when he said for 4 years the past your farm so one no communication director and farmer your mom penny and what's me acquired that property no idea na wɔ no cramp no wɔ no question mark ɛwɔ no na ebi mo sɛ ebi before nye sika ne ohun sɛ ɛyɛ intelligence anaasɛ wɔn nim deɛ na wɔn adwene mu dɔ ɛna na wɔn adu saa pɛpɛ so na so ɛni si ni about that such the same world no na yɛ kasa wɔn ɛyɛ criminals deɛ a ɛna ɛma ne nhyɛ na bufo because ɔwɔ so many recordings obetumi release ɛbɛtumi agɛte so many people into trouble. Our no crampo one share crampo na kyese no ho etimi akwa akwa bi na kyese obi a wote ne baby nso no ho etimi abansem no mutiwe ene kokoba ye kwa me A plus ede ma eye enu na ebusuafo kwa me A plus kan sem we enyina ede etu eye edwan de hu ya ne so sanso ba bonte be ka eye ensem bi ohun se sa nyoma we yetimi ye edife ba before na yetimi ye ebi so etia NDC for the name moving as a best a day or say one national day of so national day of so yes a national forgiveness day ever is 1 month day no DHS obia kwanya waya na say de ya ye de ti obia ne yekọ pa eye atwosa say mampanyi John Dramani Mahama wo hia eye Ghana no for echo papa because odi no kware e de ma wo man na so ye nhyeda amfa bidie anhyeda amfa amana na wo bu amfa amano na no na wo senso e kase de say ye Mr. Ani ni dwumede no kwabunu ye nje emfa efri eye nita na abusia form so obi ho eba eye asema na se enam mfun so bi weakness bi eso anase bibi eni a eno ntini dwumedi a wogi ni eni kwanse ye ma na eto so edi anam na se obi entimi enya japade bi ansana watimi ababa bedi eye ni penya na se japade ya na empelifo no enya nyina no ni nyina ejina se penyini na poster ye de mo nti na ma wo mo ebebedi eye penyini na because the echo so de kwakwa yesem obi a yebefa ni bia no na access de nipa no ni mo hwe ye fa no obebenya ni bi obi ntimi nya ni hira na wonya the properties ni normal wo ansana yetimi to ni bi ahya ne sana ense we say the echo wo hwa ye papa Mr. Eugene Ahe nti ne nzonsensema asoro because of the properties awanya nti no e ma banyi enji ni dwumedie ever enfri ni sana won se fata so obeto ni dwumedie no eso anase wo mo nsema wo mo kan ye ntwa engu for wadwe nhye no ebra e wo tuma GH comment section na ebio so like videos na share e wo all the social media platform eso if you skapa and dia ha and am demo ABC makam